this is going to be a busy week with the holidays and with the weather.
Yeah, weather always complicates the holidays. And again, those are the forecasts people really are going to be watching closely. We are as well. In fact, we have a weather impact alert, and we're looking ahead to really focused on Wednesday morning. Now, there will be some light rain showers in the forecast for your Monday and even as we go through Tuesday. But the rain chances are looking pretty light right now. Really focused late Tuesday through the Wednesday morning commute, especially. Temperatures will be dropping during the overnight hours. We have rain that tries to turn over to snow. Should have a good chance of doing it simply because we're really pulling in cold air this time. But should that rain stick around or should that snow melt a little bit with those dropping temperatures, we're also going to be concerned about some icy surfaces, bridges and overpasses, some untreated pavements, sidewalks. Locations like that could be a little dicey, even for areas that receive just light snowfall or even a little bit of rain. It's that dropping temperature that kind of adds to this weather impact alert. And again, that's why we're really solely focused on Wednesday morning right now, really keeping a close eye on that portion of this upcoming forecast. Also, the weather pattern is expected to get a little busier as we roll into December. So we're certainly watching even down the road for more of what's to come. Let's take a look at what's happening outside right now. As we take a look at this satellite loop, right now still very quiet, still very warm as well. Clouds across the northern half of the region. We're going to see the clouds building in through the overnight hours, and that is this area low pressure that was sitting over Arizona yesterday, breaking loose now. It's going to make its way northeasterly, moving across Missouri and Iowa. But as it does, it's drawing moisture north, bringing it a little bit closer to us. This will be the first round of rainfall looking to Monday into Tuesday. And then we're also watching energy, again, south of the Aleutian Islands, that's going to race across the northern portion of the country and make its way here, kind of sweep in behind it, and then really crank up the atmosphere for us. And that's what sets us up for that potential snowfall for the Twin Cities Wednesday morning. Better chance for snow if you're watching from northern Minnesota. Let's play this out. So we start things out early tomorrow morning. Clouds fill in rather easily. Some light rain showers, south metro, southeast Minnesota into the evening hours. You can see that rain chance sticks around, light rain, even Tuesday morning. Now here comes that energy from the Pacific Northwest as that low continues to pass just to our east as you get into Tuesday night. Rain, also snow across northern Minnesota, but we're going to get a little bit of a break here. But as we do, now we're going to see that cold air get pulled into the backside of the system, and that's how the snow is expected to pull into the Twin Cities. And it looks as though as we get very close to the midnight hour, that's when we expect to see temperatures at freezing or lower all the way through the atmosphere across the Twin Cities. And that's when we can start to pick up that rain turning over to snow. Meanwhile, still coming down rather heavy around the Arrowhead and northern Wisconsin. As you get into the lunch hour Wednesday, things start to quiet down, and by that evening should be rather quiet around here as well. Snow will continue to move across the Great Lakes region. But again, that heavy band, west central Minnesota into the Arrowhead. You saw the winter storm watch already in place. 3 to 6 will be rather common, but as you move your way into the Arrowhead, 7, 8, even 9 inches of snow possible there. Around the Twin Cities, looking like we could end up in that 1 to possibly 2 category. We do have some very nice temperatures coming up in the for today, but as you take a look Wednesday, Thursday, and into Friday, yes, going to be much cooler around here, and that's when winter really feels like it settles in. You can see, again, for tomorrow, still rather mild, but again, all eyes Tuesday and into Wednesday, and then we just stick with the cold weather or flurries more snow next weekend.